Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. This is your mentor Mayank, and as you all know, this is our session for our upcoming RBI Grade B 2023 Phase 1 targeting quant section, right? So do let me know first whether my voice is audible or not. Voice and video both are clear. Do let me know first. Just wait. I'm just checking out. Okay. So this is the session which I'm going to start, right? The topic of today's session is already, right? It is mentioned number series. It is going to be, okay? So RBI Grade B 2023 Revision Express Batch, first class, right? Here on YouTube, we are providing you, right? And after first class, all classes will be in our Revision Express batch, right? In paid course. So this is the free class of this Revision Express batch, and we are targeting in this batch what? Phase 1. Okay, our phase 1. So the candidates who are preparing for RBI Grade B and want to make sure that their phase 1, they want to clear their phase 1. Okay, Kakli, good evening. Okay, phase 1, right? 100%, if they are serious and they want to crack and they are thinking about how to prepare in this much less time, then this batch is for you, right? Here we are going to cover all the important topics in this less time, right? Crisp time. There will be a crisp and clear, right, course, right? So just wait. So share with others to like the session. I'm going to start. Okay, the first class Revision Express batch live classes already started on 5th June, right? So first class of every subject we are just right providing you on YouTube. First paid class. This is what the Express batch, which is paid, and first class is free on YouTube. So 50 classes for, right, what your all quant, reasoning, English and general awareness, 1000 plus most important MCQs we are going to cover. All important source covered. Download RBI Bold's current affair. 10 full length mock test for phase 1, sectional and topic wise test. So it is especially for phase 1. So do join. You can go through the website, or you can join it through what? Our app. You can download the app from the Play Store. So let's start today's session. So let's discuss about number series, and I hope you all know about number series, right? But in RBI Grade B Quant section, right, from past 3 years the level of number series has been increased, and if we will look out 2022, so the pattern was completely different. Okay, so here first we will start with basic. I will tell you how to approach the question, what are the things you have to keep in your mind when you are solving the number series. So first we will start with the basic, which is very, very important. You all know there will be a pattern with okay, among the numbers. If I will say A, B, C, D, E, F, right? These are the number alphabet. So first to second, second to third, third to fourth, you will find out the pattern. But how you will approach that, because the approach does matter, right? So increasing order, first thing you have to keep in your mind is what? You are finding out the relationship among the numbers, between the numbers. So that could be in difference form, it could be in increasing form, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, or it could be in this 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So it is decreasing, it is increasing. First one is increasing, second one is decreasing. So first of all you have to look out, the first thing it must be in your mind is whether it is an increasing order or decreasing order. If increasing order, then you can go with these two mathematical operation. Well, it can be based on addition or multiplication. If difference is huge, then you will go with multiplication. If it is less, then you will go with addition. And just right, keep this in your mind, because right, okay, so be active in the chat box also. So here the thing very, very important, as I said, first point. Second is decreasing order. Decreasing order means it is in what? In ascending or descending order, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So you can see here. So it could be based on what? So here you can directly apply subtraction or division. It is also based on the difference. If difference is huge, then you can go with division first. And if difference is less, then you can go with difference. Okay. So be active in the chat box. Okay. Third one, difference based. Now, increasing, decreasing order we have seen. Now we have to check what difference. So difference is what? It is a pattern whereby only the difference logic means here, if you will look out, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Very simple number series, or you can say consecutive even numbers, right? Based on this series. In decreasing order also, 12 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. So here also the series is in decreasing order, right? Here decreasing, increasing, and based on what? Difference. When you are able to solve the series by difference. Now difference, why I mentioned, why it is so important, that you have to understand now. See, sometime single difference will work out for you. Sometimes you have to calculate the difference of the difference, right? And sometimes difference of the difference, that is maximum, right? They will give you till 3 difference, means first difference. Okay, so what is the first difference, second difference, third difference? That also you will have in the mind. Okay, how we will come to know, okay, what is first difference, second difference, and all these things. So here I am explaining you. See, 7, okay, then 8 is given, not 8, I can say, okay, 15, okay, then 15, then 29 is there, then 49 is there, right? Then 75 is there. So when you will see, this is an increasing order. First of all, we are working out on what? Our basics, which we have to keep in our mind, and which will help you to find out the pattern. That is the major key. Okay, I know the pattern of question is changed, but the logic will be same. First of all, you have to find out the basic logic. You have to go through the basic logic. Then you will solve the question based on that. Right? So 7, 15, 29, 29 to 49, 49 to 75. So 7 plus 8, right? Now 15 plus 14. So first thing is, it is an increasing order and difference is not that much huge. 7 to 15, 15 to 29, 29 to 49, 49 to 75. That is not that much. So 8 plus, okay. Now 29 to 49, the difference is what? Plus 20. Now 49 to 75, the difference is plus 26. So first is 8, then 14, then 20, then 26. So this is the first difference. Now find out the second difference also, because by first difference, you can't see any logic, right, directly. So 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 6, 26, 26 plus 6, 32. So you are able to find out the first difference, means the number difference, okay, the question mark which is missing here. How? By the difference of difference, by the help of second difference. So I hope now you understood. Sometime you have to go for, if you, right, you're not finding any pattern in the second difference even, then go for third difference. And major question, right, you will be able to solve by this logic also, means almost 50% of the question by difference easily can be solved, okay, which comes in the exam. So here we have to keep this thing. That's why it becomes very, very important. Now 75 plus 32, 107. Is this clear? Okay. Now mixed pattern is what? The mixed pattern is where addition, okay, now addition, multiplication, okay, is going on together, minus multiplication, means two mathematical operation we are applying together, right? Minus or division together, right? What we can say next is a plus and division together. So you can say that is a mixed pattern where we are applying something, two mathematical operation together. Okay, so that will come under mixed pattern. Now alternate pattern, when series is based on what? First number. We are not just relating first number with second, first with second, second with third, third with fourth. No, first with third. Okay, we are just keeping here. I'm telling you the pattern here. This is the first question of today's session. Okay, but first think about the logic which I'm telling you. Alternate pattern is what? Alternate pattern, first number Okay, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, and sixth number are given. Suppose. So first to third number, the first number is related to third, third is related to fourth, fourth is related to third is related to fifth, and fifth is related to the next one, means the next place. So we are skipping one number in this series. Now after this, if we will look out even number, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. So this is the what? Places. Second number is related to, means even place will have the relation with even, odd place will have the relation with odd one. Okay. Okay, just wait now. Let's move on to the deck. Then after that, what is given? Now one major thing, squares, cubes. This is the most IMP. You have to remember these squares. Okay, from where to where, that I am telling you. You have to keep these squares from 1 to 40 and cubes from 1 to 30. That you have to keep in your mind. Square and cubes I'm talking about. Okay, after that, one more thing, these square cubes. Okay, then square cube difference also of the same number. If I will talk about 1 to 15, you have to remember. Okay, what? Square cube, what I'm saying, if x 1 to 15, there are 15 numbers. Okay, 1 cube minus 1 is what? 2 cube minus 1 is what? 2 cube plus 1 is what? 1 cube plus 1 is what? At least till 10. I will prefer it till 15, but if you are unable to do so, then you can go till 10 at least. That difference. Okay, that 4 square. Okay, 4 square minus 2 is what? 5 square minus 1 is what? And one more thing, what I was telling is square and cube difference, that I already told. That square cube difference is what? 1 cube minus 1 square, 2 cube minus 2 square, 3 cube minus 3 square, 4 cube minus 4 square, right? Similarly 5, 7, 6 for all, right, till 10 at least. Then 1 cube plus 1 square, 2 cube plus 2 square. This also you have to remember, practice on that. These values also you have to keep in your mind. You will be able to solve the number series easily. Now prime number based. What is prime number based? Okay, so what are the prime numbers which are having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, right? So if I will talk about 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, what will be the next number in this series? I'm asking to all of you who are watching the session. Tell me the answer fast. We are having many different type of question today to do. So I'm just expecting the answers from you all. Tell me the answer now. Anyone who got the answer of this one? Which will come in place of question mark? I told you 2, 3. I'm checking your comments. Okay. Now see, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the consecutive prime number. Next one would be 13. Then after that, 17. So the series can be based on what? Prime number, square of prime number, consecutive prime number, cube of consecutive prime number. Any logic can be there. Multiplication logic in the prime numbers. Okay, 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 2, 10, right? Just remember, 7 into 2, 14, 11 into 2, 22, 13 into 2, 26, 17 into 2, 34. So I am multiplying 2 here in the prime numbers. Very good, Madhulika. 13 will come, definitely. So hope so you got it. That also you have to keep in your mind. Now, after that, illogical pattern is what? That is very, very important. That illogical point which I have put up here. Illogical pattern. When no logical pattern is working out, you are using the digits of the number to find out the next number. When you are using the digits of the number to find out the next number. So if I will say 78, 7, 8, see any logic I can apply here by this one number only. 7 into 8, so that will give you 56. 7 plus 8, so this will give you what? 7 plus 8 will give you 15. Okay, 7 square plus 8 square, so that will give you something else, 113 around. Okay, 7 cube plus 8 cube, or 8 cube minus 7 cube, 8 square minus 7 square. So any logic between the mathematical operation between the digits we will apply. If that is going on, that will come under illogical part. Okay, so I hope you understood all the logic pattern, and one more important thing is your calculation must be very, very good. It will help you in data interpretation and also in other, right? If I will talk about other topics like data interpretation, arithmetic questions, everywhere it will help you. So if you want to score good marks in this section, then you must go with it. Okay, let's start with the first question of today. First question is different. Find the missing term series. So first we will start with normal question where you have to determine the wrong number. See here, wrong number they will ask you, or missing number. These two things we know. But they are asking some extra data to you. Okay, wrong number, missing number. Okay, they will give you missing number series. Then they will ask some additional detail, some extra data. They are giving you statement based questions also. So that we will solve, then I will explain you, okay, what are the types you can face. Now tell me what is going to be the answer of this question. 713, 719, 754, 897, 1220. I told the approach. First, what you have to check, whether it is in increasing order or decreasing, right? So 897, 1220, then question mark is there. So if we will look out first difference, yes, this is the first question of today's session. Basic is done now. Basic concept is done. I told you that you have to remember, right? Keep in your mind. Then you will be able to solve almost every kind of question of number series. For that, you have to practice and also work out on your calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. That will help you a lot. Okay. So now 713, 719. So plus 6, 719 to 754. So the next thing is what? Okay. 719 to 754, 35, the difference is. Now 754 to 897, the difference is how much here? It is 143. Yes, it is. See how I am taking the difference. 800 minus 700, 100. 90 minus 50. See, this is 754, 754. 897. So 800 minus 700, 100. 90 minus 5, 40. 7 minus 4, 3, 143. Right? Now 1200 minus 800, 400. 200 minus 90. What you will get? That is 1110. And 20 is also extra here. So 130. Sorry. One major point. Yeah. Sorry. So again, I am telling you 1200 minus 800, 400, fine. Then 200 minus 90. Okay, what I am telling you, the type, okay, Divya, as per Divya, the answer must be C. That is, okay, that could be possible. Once check, Divya, what is the pattern which you are following? Very good, well tried. What about others? You all, right, who are watching the session, serious about the RBI Grade B preparation, right? And you are going to give that. That's why you are attending the session. So be attentive and try to do it. Okay. So now 1200 minus 800. So it is going to be what? 400. Okay. Now 220 minus 97. So you are going to get around so 200 minus 90, so that is 110. 20 minus 7, 13. So 123. So 123. So that is going to be 523 for you. Okay. So here the difference is 523 around. Now, not 523, sorry, 323. This is my mistake. Okay. 323. Because no, one wrong thing I told you. Okay. Just keep calm. Okay. I am just writing down differently, so I will explain you what I was telling you. Okay, I just consider some value wrongly. 897, 1220. What I was telling, 1200 minus 800, 400. Now 20 minus 97. 20 minus 97, so minus 77. So it will be 323. Okay, not 523, sorry. Now after this, the missing number is there. So can you find out any logic here? 6, 35, 143, 323. So the difference is very odd. No a square cube pattern we can see here or something else. No. So if you will talk about, is there any pattern? Yes, there is a pattern. By normal logic, 6, then 35, 6 are 36 minus 1. So you will get 35. Okay, 35, 6 are 210 minus 1, 209 must be there. So it is also not working out. Then what pattern? See, this 6, now just factorize these things. 6, 2 multiply 3. 35. All numbers having 2 factors. 7 into 5. 143. 11 into 13. 323. 7 into 19. So what is going to be next? So if you will look out all the numbers which I am multiplying, 2 into 3, 7 into 5, or 5 into 7 you can put. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, all are what? All are the prime numbers. Are you getting my point? All are the prime numbers. Clear? And we are multiplying 2 to pair, right? 2 consecutive prime number, 2 into 3. Okay, the next 2 prime number, 5 into 7, the next 2 prime number, then next 2 prime number. So next 2 prime number, then 23 into 29. Now 29 3s are 87, 7, 8 carry. 29 2s are 58 plus 8. So 6, 6, 7. Now just add 6, 6, 7 here. So you will get 1, 8, 8, 7, which is given in option D. And I hope you like the pattern. Okay, understood? What kind of pattern we used? We used prime number, consecutive prime number, and making first two consecutive prime number product, then next 2 prime number product, then next 2 prime number product we are adding in this. Hope so is clear now. Very good, Divya. What about other Deepika, Madhulika, okay, Kakli? Now see, this one you can solve, easy one. Wrong number you have to find out. So how you will find out the wrong number here? 26. So is this clear? Tell me now. Tell me. This one, who will answer this? Tell me fast. 26, 30, 69, 22, 24, 917. I'm giving you another 30 seconds for this. Try to do it. Use your brain and tell me which number is wrong in this series. The pattern is very easy, and mark your attendance by liking the session if you understood whatever I have explained to you. Tell me fast. Chal, theek hai. Now 26, 30, 69, 224. So if you will look out, the series is in increasing order, right? It is in increasing order. Now you just have to go with what? The floor. See the difference first. Plus 4, then 39, then 2 to 4. So it is, the difference is getting huge if you will look out, right? If you will check it. Then 69, it was 69. So 69 to 224, the difference is how much? 155. Then after that, the difference is almost huge. So it could be based on what? Multiplication we can apply. Very good, Angel. And Divya B, Angel 30 is saying 30. Okay, let's check it out. Now see, 26 to 30. So 26 multiply 1. Okay, plus 4. Okay, then okay, then what else? 30. Okay, 30 multiply 1 again. No, 2. 32s are 60. Okay, plus 9. We are just checking how many times we can divide this. 26 only one time divisible, so 26 into 1 plus 1, right? Plus 4 that I am applying here. Okay, so 26 Angel answered now 224. Very good, Angel. 26 multiply 1 plus 4 question mark. Then 30 multiply 2 plus 9 69, right? Now 69 multiply 3, 69 multiply 63s are 189, 3s are 27, 207 plus how much? The next number is 224, so plus 17. So 224 we are getting. Now 224 multiply 4. See what we are seeing here. We are multiplying first with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. It is based on what? Mixed pattern, where we are applying two mathematical operation together. Very good. But Angel, there must be a certain pattern, right? This is not the logic you looked out it, but very good. But if we will certainly see it, okay, 13, 26, 30. So 2, 2, then 3, then 7, 7. So this is not a pattern which telling us a current, right? First we are multiplying with 2, then 2, then you are saying with multiply with 7, then again 7. So that is not a logic, okay? Okay, but okay, Madhulika also answered, Divya also answered. Now see, 224 multiply 4, 200 multiply 4, 824 multiply 4, 96. So 896 plus 21, then only we will get 917, right? But if we will look out the pattern carefully, so first we multiply with 1, then plus 4 is the square of 2. Then we multiply with 2 plus 9, which is the square of 3, right? Then we multiply with 3 with the next number, then plus what? 17, and there must be square of 2, then we are adding square of 3, then there must be square of 4, and 17, it is near to 4 square. Yes, if we will keep 16 here instead of that, right? So what number we will get in place of 224? 223. Just write 223 now. 223 multiply 4, so 492 plus 892 plus 25, yes, 917. So what we can say, when we are applying this 16, we are adding 16 and instead of 17 we are getting the right logic, means 224 is the wrong number, because when we will add 16 we will get 223 instead of 224, and whole series is following that pattern now. And the pattern is multiply with 1 plus 2 square, multiply with 2 plus 3 square, multiply with 3 plus 4 square, right? Now, are you getting it? Is this clear? Divya, see, the next number was what? 30, not 30. 36 minus 1, you will get 35 then. Clear? I hope so it is clear now. Varun, Madhulika, Divya, Angel, Kakli, everyone who are watching. Deepika, clear? Do let me know now. Okay. So let's move on to the next now. Find the wrong term in the given series. Now the question is based on what? Wrong number in the series. Again, once again. So tell me the answer. Be fast. We are having many questions to do. Different type of pattern. Just try to find out what I am asking you. Okay. So anyone who got the answer of this question? Okay, now look out. Time is over. Okay. 44, 21, 22, 32, 65, 162.5. Okay, these are the numbers given in the series. So 44 to 21, it is getting less, decreasing, then increasing, then increasing, then increasing. So when it is decreasing, when you see like that, what we can see, just compare two numbers first. 44 to 21. How much you subtracted? 23. But 21 is almost near to half of 44 or not? So you will say yes, 44 by 2. You will get 22. 22 minus 1 will get you 21. Not 21 multiply 1. Right? What I'm telling is just see pattern. 44 multiply half. Clear? Minus 1 will give you 21. Now 21 to 22. 21 ones are 21 plus 1, 22. So we can say that first we multiply half. Then what is the double of half? 1 that we are multiplying here. Right? And subtracting 1 then adding 1 on alternate basis. Okay. So mixed pattern, mathematical operation, addition, both are applying. Okay. 22, then what must be there? So 22 into 2, 44. 44 minus 1 is not there. So it is not following. So what we can see, half plus half is 1. Then 1 plus half is 1.5. So just apply 22 into 1.5. So that is going to be 33 because 22 ones are 22. Then half of 22 is 11. Just add 33 minus 1, 32. Got the pattern? Now 32 multiply 2 plus 1, 65. Clear? Now next must be what? Till now, first, second, third, fourth, all the numbers are following the pattern. Now fifth one is what? Fifth one, if we will look out, that is 65 multiply 2.5. Because first we multiply with half, then 1, then 1.5, then 2, then 2 plus 0.5, 2.5 minus 1. So 65 into 2, 130. Half of 65 is 32.5. So it is going to be 162.5. Minus 1 must be there. So 161.5. So the wrong number in the series is 162.5, which is given in option A. And this one I'm giving you as the homework. Okay, this one. 4, 15, 3700, 224, 439, 78. 78 one. So this is the wrong number series. And this is the first question of the homework. You can answer in the comment box. Okay, answer of the first homework question, answer of the second homework question, that you have to try and you have to answer in the comment box. You have to try. That's why I'm giving you, right, for your better preparation. And hope so now you are understanding, right, everything. If you are understanding, then do let me know in the chat box. Very good, Madhulika. What about others? Let's move on to the next question. Now see, this is the pattern I was talking about. Okay. In this session, we are going to cover complete package of number series, whatever we can expect. Only thing you have to do is just practice on number series question, right? And everything you will be able to do in the exam. Very good, bacha. Very good. What about others? Okay, just wait. Okay, Madhulika, everyone, Divya, is this clear? Okay, so tell me the answer here. What is given? A missing number series is given below. 9, 9, 16, 42, 105. Then question mark is there. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now you have to find out if G and H are next two terms after F. Then find the value of H. So G and H. First of all, you have to understand what is given in the series. 9, 9, 16, 42, A, 105. So the value of 9 is what? A belongs to 9. B, right? Again 9 second number. C is the third number, right? Third term of the series, which is 16. Then fourth term is D, 42. Fifth term is E. F is missing, and they have said G and H are next two term after F. So next two places also you have to find out. So tell me the answer of this series. What you have to do, first of all, you have to go for the pattern. What I said, basic will be same always. So 9, 9, 16, 42, 105. What logic is working out here? 9 to 9 is 0. Then 9 to 16 is if you will look out the difference, we can see first is 0. Then next is plus 7. Then next is plus 26. And I will remind you whatever the thing I told you will be helpful, right? From the question is that first question, if you will look out, what are the point I discuss are very, very important or not, then only you will come to know. You will understand, okay, that's why. Okay, we have gone through the basic concept and the right approach, which is very, very important. Okay, now 42, then 42 to 105 is plus 63. Now, if you will look out, 0 plus 7, 26, 63. Anyone can see any logic here? One thing I told you, you have to remember the cubes and squares difference. Fine. And 1 plus minus 1 or 2 plus 2 minus 2 values of all square and cubes. So 1 cube minus 1 is 0. 2 cube minus 1 is 7. 3 cube minus 1 is 26. 4 cube minus 1 is 63. So next must be what? 5 cube minus 1 means 124. So without using pen and paper, even you can do it. Now 105 plus 124. So it is going to be 225. So the value of G is 225. Then after G, next term is going to be what? H. So the value of H is what? G plus 6 cube minus 1 equal to H. Right? That is the next term after G. Sorry, this is the value of F, not G. F was also missing. F. Okay. So F plus 6 cube minus 1 will get you what? The next term. Right? Next term in the series. Then G. Then G plus 7 cube minus 1 will get you H. Now tell me the answer. I am giving you another 30 seconds. Pattern I told you, right? Everything I explained. So I can expect the better pattern, the better thing from you all or not? Yes. So tell me the answer now. How many of you answered? Anyone? Pattern is already you know. See, so FB know 225. Now 225 plus 6 cube is 216. Okay. So I'm explaining you in detail now. Okay. I'm writing down everything here. 9 plus 0. Then plus 7. 16. Then 16 plus 26. 42. Then 42 plus 63. 105. Right? Now 105 plus 42 plus 60, yeah, 124. So 225. Now 225 plus 215. 6 cube minus 1, 215. Right? So it is going to be 440 plus 7 cube minus 1, that is going to be 342 when you will add that 782. Right? 782 you will get. So is this clear? Now, so what are they asking? The find the value of H, and that is 782. Again, I'm just cross checking it. Okay, first 0, then 7, then 26, then 6. So 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, 6 cube minus 1, then 7 cube minus 1. Right? So after that we are getting this. So our answer is going to be none of these. 782. Clear? Now the next thing, find the missing term. Here the series is different. I'm expecting the answers from you all. Be active and tell me the answer. Everyone, tell me the answer now. What you have to follow here, what are the things which are very, very important? You just have to understand. Clear? I'm checking your comments. Anyone who answered, who can answer this one? Be fast. Okay. So mark your attendance who are joining this session now, and the people who are just right watching the session from the starting, mark your attendance, right, which is very, very important if you're liking the session as well. Okay, Varun said 17, 19. Great job, Varun. Very good. The pattern is based on Dunichan. Very good. After a long time, I'm seeing you. Okay. 11, 13. Then the next must be what? XY. So here the pattern is completely different. Bracket is given. In the bracket, 2 number pair is given. If you will look out the number carefully, 11, 13, X, Y, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. So here all number are what? Prime number. After 11, 13 comes. After 13, 17. After 17, 19. Then 23, then 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. So the series is based on prime number, consecutive prime number. And first two prime number 11, 13, okay, pair. The next two prime number pair 17, 19. The next two prime number pair 23, 29. The next two prime number pair 31, 37. The next two prime number pair 41, 43. So here the answer is going to be option C. Very good, great job. Let's move on to the next. The question is completely same. The series is same here. Which of the following statement? Now see. Now I am going to tell you the pattern which they are asking from last year especially. They're asking you the additional data, something additional, not only missing number or wrong number in the series. No, something extra. They can put any condition apart from including the number series, right? Excluding number series, sorry. Number series is, they will give you some number series. It could be missing number or wrong number. Then they can put the condition, and based on condition, they can ask you something extra, right? Data, something extra, some extra things. A statement verification can be there. Okay, the given statement are correct or not as per the given series. That they can ask you. They can ask you extra calculation. Okay, the missing number in the series is this, then find out the value of this equation or something. They can put the quadratic equation even. Means they will put something extra. They are making the question lengthier. As we solved the previous one, if we will look out this question, so here they were not asking missing number, they were asking the missing number, right? Second number after the missing number, right? Means the third missing number they were asking in the question, right? Very good, great job. What about others? See, which of the following statement is definitely correct? So here already we know 17 and 19 the value of x and y. X square, x is already less than y. Then how x square will be greater than y? First is wrong. Clear? Second one, x is a prime number and y is composite. No, both are prime numbers, so this is also wrong. Now third, sum of x and y is an even number. If we are adding two odd numbers or two even numbers, then the sum always be what? Even number. So 17 and 19 both are prime plus odd number. Also odd number, 17 and 19, 36. So yes, C is correct. So only C, option third is going to be the answer. Very good. Great job, guys. Now the next one. Now see, there is a wrong number in the series. 229, 256, 320, 443, 661. Right? This is the question from previous year. Same question came in the previous year, 2022. RBI Grade B exam. So try to do it. I'm giving you time. Okay, let's do it. So, okay, how many of you answering fast? I'm checking. Okay, in the chat box you have to active. Seriously, here also the competition is going on, and just check actually at right at what level you are. You can check the level, your preparation level, right? Are you able to do it or not? All things. Very good. Now, C only. Okay, let's check it out. See only previous question answer. Okay, now see here. The wrong number series is given, that is fine. The question is P is the correct number in place of wrong term. Identify the correct statement from the statement given below. First, P is divisible by 15. Second, P plus 4 is prime number, right? So the first thing is what? P is divisible by 15. So first, and P plus 4 is prime. So we know the value of P? No. P is the correct number in place of wrong. So first of all, we have to identify the wrong number in the series. Then we will replace that with P, that is the correct number. Getting it? Now see, 229, 256, 320, 443, 661. So if we will look out, 229 to 256 plus 27, 256 to 320, 64, 320 to 443, 123, 443 to 661 plus 218. Clear? Plus 218. So here the pattern is what? First 27. Difference is 27. Then next difference is 64. Then next difference is 123. Then next difference is 218. So 327 is the 3 cube. Next 64 is 4 cube. 123 and 218. If we will see the pattern, plus 3 cube plus 4 cube, then next must be 5 cube and plus 6 cube. But here 123, which is not the cube of 5. Cube of 5 is plus 125. And cube of 6 is 216. So if you will look out carefully, both numbers are near to 5 cube and 6 cube. So let's apply the pattern which we think will work out. Okay. So 229, fine. Then 256, 320, 443, 661. Now plus 3 cube, 2 cube, no, 3 cube, sorry. Then plus 4 cube, then plus 5 cube, then plus 6 cube. So if we will apply plus 5 cube, so 125, 320 plus 125 will give you what? 320 plus 125, 300 plus 100, 420 plus 25, so 445. Now 445 plus 6 cube, which is 216, so you will get 661. Yes. So in both the wrong differences, two differences were wrong here, and one number is common, that is 443, and in place of that there must be 445. Clear? 445. Option number 6 is not there, Dunichan. Okay, so now first one, P is divisible. Both are, P is divisible by 15, so 445 by 15, 15 2s are 30. Right, P, the value of P is 445 here, which is the correct number in the series. 445 by 15, 15 2s are 30, then 1 4 is there, 15 9s are 135, so 10 will be the remainder. No, P is not divisible by 15. Now P plus 4, 445 plus 4 is a prime number. So 449 is a prime number. Yes, it is. 449 is the prime number. If you will look out, it is not divisible with any number except it is having except what? Itself or by 1. So first is not, first is incorrect and second is correct. Sorry, first is incorrect and second is correct. Okay, option 4 is going to be the answer. Option 4, first is incorrect and second is correct. Hope so it is clear. Let's move on to the next now. The series is given 2, 9, 28, 65, 126x. So based on that pattern also they can ask you, means 2 questions based on 1 number series, 3 questions based on 1 number series. They can change the cases. They can put some other data. They can put something extra. Clear? Now see 2 to 9. Okay, Varun, very good. What about others? Sorry, not 2 to 9, 2, 9, 28, 65, 126. Can you see the pattern directly here? Very good, Dunichan. Okay, वही बोला था. Very good, शाबाश. अब ये वाला करके बताओ. This one you have to do, right? You all need to do 2, 9, 28, 65, 126 and x. So can we see a pattern directly? Yes. we can, but I am expecting from you all. Write down the pattern in the series 2, 9, 28, 65, 126. See, first we have to find out the missing number. Then 30% of x is the missing number in the series, and minus 20% of y square. Y, we don't know the value of y, but a point is given that y is an even number. So y is an even number, and between what? Y is greater than 1 and less than 4. So only one number, one prime even number is there between 1 and 4, that is 2. So the value of y is going to be 2. Now I told you the even value of y. Calculate, tell me the pattern. See, 2 is what? 1 cube plus 1. Very good, Varun. Excellent work. Great job. What about others? 9 is what? 9 is 3 square also, and we can write down 3 cube. Now, not 3 cube, sorry. This is my mistake. I'm just... Okay. First is what? 2. 2 equal to what? 1 cube plus 1. Then 9 is there. 2 cube plus 1. Then 28 is there. 3 cube plus 1. Then 65 is there. 4 cube plus 1. Then 126 is there. 126, that is 5 cube plus 1. Right? And next must be what then? 6 cube plus 1. So 6 cube is 216 plus 1 means 217. Got it? Now 217. So option A is the correct answer of this question. Now next. Second is what? 30% of x. 30% of x means x is what? 217. So 30% of 217 minus 20% of y square. Y is what? 2. As I told you, y is an even number and between 1 to 4. More than 1 and less than 4. So there is only one number. One even number between 1 and 4, that is 2. So 2. Y square. So 20% of y square. So y square is what? So 2 square. Y is the value of y is 2. 2 square is 4. And 20% of 4 is going to be what? 0.8. 0.8. Now 30% of 217. So 10% of 217 is 21.7. Multiply 3. So whenever you have to calculate 10%, multiply 1. 10% multiply 2, and so on. In multiple of 10 you can easily calculate. So 21.7 multiply 3 will give you 30% of 217, which is 21 into 3 63.7 into 3 2.1, so 65.1. So subtracted 64.3, option B. How many of you got the answer? Now let's move on to the next one. Now tell me the answer fast. Is this clear or not, or still facing any issue? Any doubt? Do let me know fast. Tell me the logic, pattern, everyone. Okay. So in this series, what is given? Study the given information carefully and answer the following question. In the following question, a number series is given. After the number series, a number and A, B, C, D, E are given. Complete the number series starting from the given number. So there is two series, 1 and series number 2. Okay, another series. In second series, only first number is given. Other are missing. Other are missing. Okay. Based on the pattern of original number series and choose the correct option. So based on the pattern of original number series is first. So the same pattern we have to apply for second. So we can find out the data here. Okay. Right. And choose the correct option. So question is what? Which of the following statement is true? They are asking us what are the statements are true. So first of all, we need the value of A, B, C, D, E, because statements are based on what? A, B, C, D. The value of A, B, C, D, E. Right. Now look out here. 2 to 227, the difference, see, it is in increasing order continuously. First difference is 225. Next is 227 to 483. So 480 minus 220 and 3 minus 7 minus 4. So 260 minus 4, 256. Next, 483 minus 772. So 17. 500 is 17 less than 483 is 17 less than 500. 17 plus 272, 289. Next is what? So if you will look out, first difference is plus 20, 225. Next is plus 256. First two numbers difference is 2 to 5. Then next two numbers difference is 256, then next is 289. So first is 15 square, second difference is what? Square of 16, third is square of 17, the next must be 18 square. Let's check it out. 772 plus 1096. So 1000 minus 700, you will get 300. 96 minus 72, 324. Yes. Now 1096 minus 1457. So 1400 minus 1400. 57 minus 96, 39. So 1000 minus 31. No, wait. 1400 minus 1000. So 400 minus 57 minus, see, 57 minus 96, so 39. So minus 39. 400 minus 39, 361. So 361. So yes, consecutive squares of 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 we are adding here. So the same thing will be applied here. Add the square of 15, add the square of 16, add the square of 17, then 18, then 19, right? And so on. If we need the next number after E, because they can ask you after E, what is the second number? So after E, second number, follow the same pattern continuously. Okay. So logic we know. Now what are they asking? First of all, we need the value of what? A, P, C, like that, right? All. So one thing you have to check. Is there anything related to that number? First number or previous number? We are multiplying something. We are constant. We have to add the constant value. Square of 15, 16, 17, 18, right? So by that you can do, or there is a smart way. Check the first two numbers difference, right? First number of both series. Their difference is what? First number of first series is 2 and first number of second series is 14. Their difference is plus 12. And we know the next number is not depend on the multiple of first number. Okay, right? Like 2 multiply something or 14 multiply something. It is not based on that. We have to add the constant value. Here also 225 and here also 225. So if we know the difference plus 12, first two number difference is plus 12, then all numbers, same place number will follow the same difference. Means 227 plus 12, so you will get the value of A. 483 plus 12, you will get the value of B. 772 plus 12, you will get the value of C. 1096 plus 12, 147 plus 12, so you will get the value, right? Why? Because the value is not in multiple. We are not multiplying something. We are adding the constant values, 15 square, 16 square, right? So the same difference will be applied. Okay. Now see, which of the following statement is true? A minus B. So A is going to be what? 227 plus 12 means 239 is the value of A, right? 227 plus 12, 239. Value of B is going to be 483 plus 12, 495. Value of C, 784. 772 plus 12. Are you getting my point? Now, value of D, 1096 plus 12, so 1108. Value of E, 14752, 1457 plus 12, 1469. So if we will look out A minus B, difference of A and B are less than C and D. Yes. By simple logic, no need to calculate everything. A minus B. So A and B both are less than C and D. So multiplication of C and D of course will be more than the difference of A and B. And plus 624 is also there. So it is not possible that A minus B equal to C multiplied D plus 624, which is wrong. Now next, A, B, C, D are even numbers. So A is what? A is we have calculated 239, which is odd number. B is also odd number. C and D only even number. So this is also wrong. Both the statements are wrong. So we can say option B is going to be the answer of this question. Okay. Now next question. This is also from previous year 2022. We are having many questions to do, right? Okay. So be attentive, answer all the questions which I am asking you and mark your attendance if you haven't marked yet. Okay. Do like this session if you are understanding each and everything well. And if you are new to the channel, do subscribe it for the all updates regarding your exams. Okay. So there are two missing number series given below. First, 15, 7, 11, 23, P, 33. Second, 400, Q, 300, 750, 2625, 118, 12.5. So tell me the answer of this. What are they asking you? Two series are given, fine. if R is a composite number such that 14 is less than R is less than 18. So the possible value of R is between 14 and 18, 15, 16 and 17, right? Any value can be there. Then what can be the possible value of P plus R from below mentioned number? So one more thing is given, R is a composite number, not prime, and 17 is prime. So 17 cannot be the value of R. So the two possible value of R are 15 and 16 here. But what are they asking? P plus R. P is given in the first series. So we must determine the value of P, then only we can solve that. What can be the possible value of P plus R? As I told you, they will ask you something extra. You have to solve. The question is lengthy, right? But it is going to be very, very important for your good score. This is the scoring part where you can score good marks. So series second, 400, Q, 300, 750. So see here, 15 to 17 plus 2, 17 to 16 minus 6, 11 to 13, 23 plus 12. Then difference are missing. So first three difference we know, 2, 6 and 12. So plus 2 minus 6 plus 12. Okay, just forget about what? Addition, subtraction, addition. No. Just think about the number 2, 6 and 12. They are following what? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 16. So plus 4 plus 6. Okay. Their difference of difference is plus 2. So if we will increase the difference of difference by what? 2. So we can check whether the pattern is working out or not. So 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus what we can say here is 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, right? Like that, the pattern can be there. Okay, 20 plus 10, 30. Because 2 difference was missing. So we can say plus 2 minus 6 plus 12 minus 20 plus 30. Just follow that. So plus, okay, plus 2 minus 6 plus 12. So minus 20, 23 minus 20. You will get what? You will get 3. Okay, I am just solving here so you will have better idea. 15, 7, okay, 15 minus 2, 17. 17 plus what? 17 minus, oh sorry, 15 plus 2, 17. 17 minus 6, 11. Clear? Now 11 plus 12, that was 23. Now 23 minus 20, you will get what? You will get 3. Now 3 plus 30, so 33. All things are following, yes. So our missing number means value of P is going to be 3. Just put here. Now two cases are possible. One case when R is 15, another case when R is 16. So first, P already we know 3 plus 15, so 18. First value is 18 possible, yes. First case is possible. Now second possible value of P plus R is what? That is 16 plus 33 means 19. 20 possible? No, because the value of R cannot be 17 because it is a composite number. So 1 and 2 only. Second option. Let's move on to the next. Now this is the homework, second homework question for you all. Okay. First series I solved for you. Second now, same series based question. First and second series is given. Second series you have to solve and find out the value of Q minus 2 divide P multiply 5. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Now, quantity comparison based number series question also they can ask you. Are you getting my point? Quantity comparison based question also can be asked. So, quantity 1, value of 6x minus 24. So, 1, 3, 7, right? Quantity 1, there is a series given. In quantity 2, there is a series given. So, missing number is x here. So, the value of 6x minus 24 is going to be quantity 1. And quantity 2 is 3y plus 2 into 5. So there is possibility of this type of question also. 2, 9, 28, 65, 126y. So here see, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 10, right? If we will do 31, now 31 plus 12, 43, 43 plus 14, 57. Very simple series is given here. Only we are adding consecutive what? Consecutive even numbers. plus 2, then plus 4, then plus 6. So what we are getting in place of x, we are getting 31, right? 21 plus 10, 31 will give you. So the value of x is 31. 31 into 6, what you will get? 186 minus 24, so 162. Similarly, 3y. So y value is going to be what? 2, 9, 28, 65, 126y. So what is going to be value of y? 1 cube plus 1. 9, 2 cube plus 1. 28, 3 cube plus 1. 65, 4 cube plus 1. 125, 5 cube plus 1. Now y 6 cube plus 1, 217. Very good, Varun. What about others? So 217 is already more than the 6x minus 24. So the whole value of 3y plus 2 multiply 5 is going to be what? Greater than quantity 1. Yes. So quantity 2 is greater than quantity 1. B option. Now this one is completely different. Tell me the answer, everyone. See, these kind of question you have to practice, right? If you are used to of these kind of question, then you can use the approach directly, right? You will say, okay, there is nothing to get worried. Okay, you can just think about, okay, there is nothing to get afraid, worried, right? No need to worry. Just think about what is given, and on the basis of that, what are they asking? So 53 question mark 79 minus 45 297 minus 431 899. If question mark is equal to x minus 4 multiplied 12.5, then find out the square of x. So square of x you need to find out. So value of second is what? So 53 to question mark to 79. We cannot determine from here, right? But as we can see, 79 to then decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing, then increasing. So decreasing, increasing pattern is going on here. So on the basis of that, we can find out the pattern. And already in my top 25 number series session, I solved this one, right? For you all. So this could be a homework, but I'm telling you how to do it. Okay. Next, I will give you as the homework. 53. Now, okay, don't know the pattern. 79. Then from 79, you can check. 79 to 45 minus 45. So how much you have to subtract? 79 plus 45. So minus 124. This is the difference here. Now 45 to 297 minus 45 to 297. How much you have to add? Because you are subtracting, adding, subtracting, adding. This type of pattern is going on here. So minus 45 plus, yes, 45 plus 290 is 342. Clear? Then after that, what you are getting? 297. Now how much you are subtracting? 297 plus 431. So minus 728. Clear? So this is the 5 cube, near to 5 cube, 5 cube minus 1. This is 7 cube minus 1. Yes, we are adding. Now 728 is 9 cube. Definitely 9 cube. Yes, 9 cube minus 1. Okay, 9 cube minus 1. So 5 cube minus 1, 7 cube minus 1, 9 cube minus 1. Check the last one also. So 431 here minus. Now you will add something. 431 plus 899. So you will say minus, plus 1330 you are doing here. So minus 431 plus 1330 will give you 899. Calculation must be good, as I said. Your calculation, you have to work out more. Daily give at least 30 minutes to calculation. Try to calculate verbally, right? Addition, subtraction, just work out on that. Okay. So this is also 11 cube minus 1. So what we can say? 11 cube, 9 cube, 7 cube, 5 cube. So before that, there must be what? 3 cube minus 1, right? And subtraction was there. So before that, addition must be there. Okay. And if we will look out earlier, first step, what we need to do? Subtraction. But what? 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, 7 cube minus 1, 9 cube minus 1, 11 cube minus 1. So first we are subtracting, then next we are adding, then subtracting, then next adding. So 1 cube minus 1 is 0. 53 minus 0, you will get what? 53 only. And the square of 53 is going to be what? X is 53 now, 53 square. So 53 is how much more than 53? Just add 3 in 25. So 28. And 3 square is 0, 9. Sorry. Yes. So they are asking the value of x, sorry, not x. X is not the missing number, my mistake. Okay. So if question mark is equal to x minus 4 into 12.5. So 12.5 into 4 means 50. Okay. So x minus 50 equal to question mark means 53. That is the value of question mark here. So 53 equal to x minus 50. So x is going to be 103 in this case then. 103. Now square of 103, how you will calculate? How much? It is how much more than 100? 3. Just add 3 in it. So 106. Now square of 3, 09. 10609. And these tricks available on our YT channel, right? In YT shorts section. YT shorts, I have provided this one. This one is homework for you all. Okay, just try this one. 1442 series 1 is given. 722 x 578 572 570. If x plus 66.67% of 3 square is third term of the series second and follows same pattern as of series 1, then find the sum of the first term and fourth term of second series. So first of all, you have to find out see, there is no second number or something reference number about the second series is given. First of all, you have to find out the pattern of first series, fine, right? And third term of the second series is equal to what? X. X is what? Missing number of first series. Plus 66.67% means 2/3 of 3 square. So you can get the third term by the help of X of the second series. If you know third term, then you can find out other term also because the pattern is same as series 1. Then you have to, after finding out that, you can add first and fourth term of the series. So you will get the answer, right? This is the homework you have to try. Okay. Now the next one. There are 3 series given below which are following with the same pattern. Okay. There are 3 series given below which are following with the same pattern. Which are following the same pattern, not with. Which are following the same pattern. So series 1, series 2, series 3. First 14, 7, 7, 14, 56. Okay, this is the complete series given. Second, first term we know 8, then P, Q, R, S. Third, A, B, C, D, E. And when we see this type of question where 3 series are given, okay, and only one completely known. So one is given as it is given that all are following the same pattern. So you know, okay, first find out the pattern of first series. First series 14, okay, and 7, 14, 56. So half of 14 is going to be 7. Then 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 14 fours are 56. So the multiplication value is just getting double. First we multiply with 0.5 means half. Then we multiply double of 0.5 means 1. Then we multiplied with 2, double of 1. Then we multiplied with 4. So multiplication value is getting double in each step. Is this clear? So this is the logic here. Same logic you have to apply in the second series, series 2. So series 2, anyone who can answer this, tell me. 8 multiply half, so 4. Then 4 multiply 1, so 4. Okay. And 4 multiply 2, 8. 8 multiply 4, 32. So this is the value of first series P, Q, R, S. These are the value of P, Q, R, S. Fine. Now series third, everything is missing, but also C is equal to P plus R minus 4. So what is the value of P? You can check here. P is 4, R is 8. 4 plus 8, 12 minus 4. So it is going to be 8. So A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 terms in the series. Very, very important, as I said. How to approach. By just watching the question, no need to get afraid. Just try to understand what is given and use the given data for that, right? It is lengthier. It will take some more time than usual, right? Usually what series we do. Okay. But this is the most scoring part. You only need to work out on the pattern. Just practice more and more and your calculation must be good. Okay. Now C. Okay. C equal to P plus R. So C, if you know third pattern, P plus R, already we calculated, that is 8. Now 8 multiply what? So you know the pattern, multiply half, multiply what? 1, then multiply 2, then multiply 4. So 8 multiply 2, 16, 16 multiply 4, 64. D and E. Now we know the value of D and E. And before that, C. Okay. So B multiply 1 will get you C. So B and C going to be same than 8. Now A multiply half is 8. Then A must be double. If half of A is B, then A would be what? Double of B. Right? So 8 into 2. So you will get 16 here. So now we have all the values. Now what are they asking? 40% of D multiply Q. So D is what? 16. And Q is what? Okay, Q is 4 in this series. Clear? The value of Q is 4 in this series. So what we can see here is D is 16 multiply 4, 64, and 40% of 64. So 10% is going to be very good, Madhulika, Varun. Excellent work, beta. Very good. Good job. So 64 into 4. 6.4. 10% is 6.4. 6.4 into 4. 6 into 4, 24.4 into 4, 1.6, so 25.6. First, option A is going to be the answer. Hope you are enjoying the level which I am discussing with you, right? So here, this one, also the homework, same kind of question we have done, only the pattern is changed. Why? Right here, I'm just putting what if question mark is missing term in the series, then find out the value of y, and question mark equal to same kind of question we have done, right? I'm just moving towards the question, this type of question. It is almost the same kind of question, only the pattern is changed. Just find out the question mark in the series, and by the help of that you can get the value of y. Then find out the value of y. Just put out that then. Okay. Next, a missing number series is given based on that three statements, not statementa, sorry, missing typing mistake. Three statements are given, and which of the following statements are definitely true? So this is the series given: 3, 7, 10, 17, 27, 54, 71, PQR. This is the last question, I think. Yes. So tell me the answer fast of this question. Madhulika, Varun, everyone. Hope so you all are enjoying the session. So okay, so the level of question whatever we have discussed, right, are very important and the most expected one. And from the basic we have discussed today's session, right? All the basic I discussed with you all, what is needed, what is very important, everything I discussed, right? Already we have the discussion about the right approach also. So see now, anyone who can answer this one. A missing number series is given based on three statements. So missing number series, first of all, 3, 7, 10, 17, 27, 44, 71, PQR. So 3 plus 4, then 7 plus 3, then 10 plus 7. What kind of pattern is going on here? 3, 7, 10, 17, not 17, sorry, it is, yes, it is. Then 27, 44, 71, then P, Q, R, three missing terms given. S is the next term. If S is the next term after R, which of the following statements are true? S minus 29 multiply 3 equal to 400. P minus 8 is less than Q minus R. Third, P, Q, R, S are even numbers, odd number, prime numbers. They can ask you everything, right? Anything. So now just see, look out here. If S is the next term after R, which of the following statements are true? So first of all, we know the pattern here. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 10. So plus 4, then plus 3, then plus 7, then plus 10, then plus 17, then plus 27. The pattern is not, we are not getting any logic by the difference. So any consecutive number or square cube, no, that is also we can't see. Any multiplication thing, 3 into 2, 6, 7 into, no, by multiplication also we are unable to do. It is in increasing order as well. And it digit something used, no, first two numbers are single digit number. Now see, 3, 7, 10, 17. Okay, I am explaining you here. Just look out here. See the pattern: 3, 7, 10, 17, 27, 44, 71, P, Q, R. So 3 plus 4, no, not following that pattern. Okay, so 3 and 7 not following the pattern. If we will see the pattern from third number, add first two number together. 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. First add first two, right? First two number, then second to third. 7 plus 10 will get you 17. 7 plus 10 equal to 70. Then 17 plus 10 will get you what? 27. Clear? So we are doing what? First to second, second to third, third plus 4, fourth plus fifth. So it will give you what? The next number. We are adding two to number pair, right? First two number, then second to third number, third to fourth, fourth to fifth, like that. Now 27 plus 17 will get you what? That 17 plus 27 also you can say. Okay, so that will give you 44. Now 44, 27 plus 44 also will give you what? Means the sum of these two numbers, right? Just add that, so you will get 71. Similarly, you have to apply 44 plus 71. So how much you will get? 70 plus 41, 10, and 4 plus 1, 115. So the value of P is 115. Okay, 44 plus 71 will give you the value of P. Clear hai sabko, right? It is clear. Is this clear to all of you? 44 plus 71 equal to P, which is 115. Now 115 plus 71, okay, 71 will get you the value of Q, that is 186. Now yes, 186, of course, yes. 186 plus 115 will get you 301, which is the value of R. But you have to find out the next term also after R, that is S. So 301 plus 186 will give you the value of S. 301 plus 186, so it will be 487. Okay, so understood the pattern? Madhulika, Varun, everyone, Deepika, tell me fast in the chat box. Is this clear to all of you? Now a statement verification we will do. If S is the next term after R, which of the following statements are true? S minus 29 multiplied 3. So S is how much? Tell me. S is how much? That is 487. 487 minus 29 into 3. 29 into 3 means 87. 487 minus 87, 400. Is this clear? So first one is true. Second, P minus 8. P is what? P is we have calculated 115. 115 minus 8 is less than Q minus R. So Q is how much? Q is 186. 301 is how much? R is 301. So 301 minus 186. Clear? So that is Q minus R. So sorry, Q minus R. Remember one thing you can make here wrong. What they are saying, not R minus Q. R minus Q will be greater than. Yeah, this will be correct if it is given what? R minus Q. But Q is 186 minus 301 will get you what? Minus 115. Very good, Angel. Minus 115. What we are getting here? Minus 1. Very good, Madhulika. Okay. Minus 115, which is less than P minus 8. In case I had given you what? Instead of this, it is given like R minus Q. R minus Q. In this case, this statement will be correct. But now what is given? Q minus R. So it will be wrong. Right? Negative value will come. So these things also you have to keep in your mind. Right? We are not having much time in the exam. So we are in hurry. So check everything carefully. These kind of silly mistake can, right, just take your number, right? That will make your answer, correct answer, wrong. You're doing everything correct. One silly mistake, right, will be very, very what? Harmful for you all. Okay, see now third one. P, Q, R, S are even numbers. So P, Q, R, S, no. P is 115, which is odd. Q is even number, 301 is odd number, 487. So only one number even number. If I will put another statement that three numbers, right, if I will say P, R and S are the odd numbers, so it will be correct. There is only one, Q is even number, that will be correct. So they can put you something extra. Are you getting my point now? Because the question is done only one. A, statement A is going to be answer of this. Only one will follow. So this is all about our first class of Revision Express batch. So this is the batch which already started, right, by 5th of June, right? Today 6th June. So first, right, one class of every subject is free here on YouTube, right? For getting other classes, if you're liking everything very well, you enjoyed the session, right, you're getting everything well, so you can join this batch. This is Revision Express batch, where we are just covering each and everything in very short period. You can prepare yourself for the exam so that you can clear your phase 1. It is completely targeting what we are targeting, phase 1 in this batch. You will get what? Your gateway to RBI. 50 plus live classes, quant, reasoning, English, general awareness, 1000 plus most important MCQs, all important sources covered, downloaded, yeah, right, downloadable, downloadable RBI Bolt current affair capsule, 10 full length mock for phase 1, sectional and topic wise tests, right? So these are the things which you will get in this batch. This is going to be very, very active and quick batch where you can plan yourself, right, in a shorter time. And our all, right, faculties will guide you in proper way, right, so that you can clear the exam. Everything we will cover, the most important thing which will get you, right, the topics which will get you the maximum marks so that you can score the maximum in the exam. So for joining the batch, paid batch, you can just go through the link given in the description box. You can join through that also, or download our app from the Play Store. From there also you can join. Now one more thing, Telegram channel, which is completely free, right? This is regulatory exam by Oliveboard. This is the new initiative where you will get daily highlights, news of the day, question of the day, mind map of the day, top 10 MCQs, PDF of live sessions, important announcement, free books, and timing also given on daily basis. So this is going to be very important. Link you can get from the description box. So this is our YouTube channel for by Oliveboard for all the regulatory body exams. Do subscribe to the channel, right, if you haven't subscribed yet, and also like the session if you understood each and everything well, and share with others also so they get, right, they can also get benefited by the session. Now see, new playlist, quant, reasoning, practice of RBI SEBI exams. So I have covered more than 30 sessions. Similarly for reasoning and other topics we have covered on YouTube as well. So you can just watch those sessions also where the important questions we have covered, right? So there will be more than 400 important questions of quant if I will talk about. So just watch those sessions also. Available in playlist, SEBI concept plus numerical practice, PIB news, analysis on daily basis, descriptive answer writing, live mentor news of the week. So anything which you want to ask, you can ask me, Madhulika, everyone. Important weekly current affair, right, everything. And this is the batch which is going on, RBI Grade B free YouTube class schedule, RBI booster batch. So this is the schedule. You can see strategy, reasoning, right, every Tuesday, Thursday and Friday at 7 p.m. strategy by Riti ma'am, every Monday 8 p.m. reasoning by Tanvi ma'am, every Monday 9 p.m. general awareness phase 1 for phase 1 by Arzu ma'am, every Tuesday. So this is also going on. Along with this, if you will join the batch which I am telling you, Revision, right, Express batch, that will help you and definitely you will be able to clear your exam. You have to follow the thing which faculty will tell you, and we will guide you, right, in most suitable way as I said, so that you can clear the exam, right, within this short time, right? From 5th of June your batch is started, and within a month you are going to be prepared for the exam. For phase 1, we are targeting especially phase 1 so that the student can revise quick and prepare themselves for the exam. Now Tuesday quant session by Mayank sir, by me, right, my today's session, right, tomorrow also my session will be there. at 7 p.m. of Quant, right, for RBI booster batch. Monday to Friday, PIB by Dinkar sir. Every Friday 9 p.m. government scheme by Arzu ma'am. Every Monday, Friday 6 p.m. PYQ by all faculty. So anything which you want to ask everyone, is this clear? Hope so. Today's session was energetic and helpful for you all. We'll see you in next session. Till then, keep learning and keep shining with Oliveboard. Thank you. Bye bye.